Good morning, my little stars. Hoping to see you all in fine and healthy. Okay, my dear students, open your book, page number 27, assessment sheet 1. Tick the correct answer. Part B. Plants reproduce from seeds or eggs. Put tick seeds. Tick seeds. Part D. Stomata are present on leaves or stem. Stomata present on leaves. Put tick on leaves. Part 3. Fill in the blanks. Part B. Insects breathe through air holes called spiracles. S-P-I-R-A-C-L-E-S. Spiracles. Part C. The process by which living things produce their own kind is called reproduction. Write down reproduction. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-O-N. All have written. Question number 4. Answer the following question. Part C. How are plants different from animals? Already you have done in the classwork copy. Okay, see classwork. Okay, my dear students. Now we have done assessment sheet 1. In UT, some fill-ups or any exercise can come from the assessment sheet 1, 2, model test paper. Do it properly. Okay, my dear students, take out your sheet, write down date, test, assessment sheet 1 and model test paper. Assessment sheet 2 and model test paper. First question, give answers. Part A, what is germination? Part B, what are dicot seeds? Second question, fill in the blanks. Number 1, grasses have dash roots. Number 2, dash is a stem that we eat. Third question, true or false? Number 1, the flat green part of the leaf is called stalk. Write down true or false. Number 2, a banana has no seeds. Write true or false. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. Insects breathe through gills or spiracles. Okay. Put tick. Number 2. The main part of the shoot is leaf or stem. Number 1. Insects breathe through gills or spiracles. Number 2. The main part of the shoot is leaf or stem. All have written, my dear students. Write your test properly. Your parents will get happy to see your answers. Okay. Okay, my dear students, now we revise the new words of lesson number 1. What are man-made things? Things that are made by man are called man-made things. Okay, new words come in the UT. Number 2, natural things. What are natural things? Things that are created by nature are called natural things. For example, sun, moon, star. Man-made things, table, chair. What are living things? Things which need food, breathe, feel, move, grow and reproduce. Things which have life are called living things. And what are non-living things? Things which do not have life are called non-living things. What is stomata? Tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves that help in the plant to breathe. What is stomata? Tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. Okay, learn the new words properly. Now we will revise the new words of lesson number 5. Plants in the surroundings. My dear student, what is root? The part of the plant which remains under the ground is called root. What is root? The part of the plant which remains under the ground. Number 2, shoot. The part of the plant which is above the ground, that is called shoot. And what is chlorophyll? The green pigment present in the leaves is called chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? The green pigment present in the leaves. Photosynthesis, the process by which green plants prepare their food in the presence of air, water and sunlight. What is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants prepare their food in the presence of air, water and sunlight. What is germination? The process by which seeds grow into a new plant in the presence of air, water and warmth. What is germination? The process by which seeds grow into a new plant in the presence of air, water and warmth. Learn these new words properly, my dear students. Okay, learn all the back exercises properly. Now we'll revise. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, food provides dash to living things, energy. Number 2, a seed changes into a dash, seedling. Number 3, a dash plant trap insects and eats them, picture. Number 4, breathe out air rich in carbon dioxide. We breathe out air rich in carbon dioxide. Now we'll revise. Fill in the blanks of lesson number 5. A. The radicle grows into the root. Number 2. Part B. The dash changes into a flower, bud. C. Leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. The name of the green pigment is chlorophyll. The dash carries water and minerals from the root to other parts of a plant. That is the stem. Part E. The dash on the stem of a plant changes into a fruit. That is the flower. Okay. Revise the phyllops and new words properly. Okay, my dear students, don't waste time and make the best of these precious moments. I hope you will obey your parents and have a regular study routine. Stay happy and healthy. Thank you.